which is your destination to learn something new in each video. In today's video as well, we have aimed to learn something new and interesting. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows computer to learn without being explicitly programmed. It powers the services you use every day, like Google search and Facebook news feeds, and it's growing at a rapid pace, so much so that some experts predict that in 10 years AI will outsmart humans. This video is going to take you through all the basics of machine learning, how it works from an engineering perspective, and why it's so important to software engineering. First of all, let's understand what is machine learning. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn from data and make predictions based on patterns. You might already be familiar with some types of machine learning, such as spam filters and product recommendations. When you start typing an email, the mail application can predict what word you are going to type next and finish off your sentence for you. If Amazon recommends product based on the things you have previously bought, that's also a form of machine learning. Machine learning allows software applications to automatically become more accurate over time without needing to be explicitly updated or programmed by a human. For example, the mail application on a smartphone can automatically learn how you typically write an email and make improvements to your predictive abilities. Machine learning is a relative new field of study that's came to a prominence in recent years. It was first developed in the 1950s and has been used commercially since the early 2000s. However, it wasn't until recent years that machine learning came into its own and started powering everything from search engine recommendations to self-driving cars. Now let's see how machine learning works. Machine learning works by breaking problem into smaller sections that can be studied with data and mathematics. The process of simplifying a problem and building a mathematical model of the solution is called feature engineering. Feature engineering is how you encode the data you observe into mathematical model you want to build. Feature engineering is complicated and can be hard to understand, but it's necessary to use machine learning because it allows us to weed out irrelevant data points before we start trying to make predictions with our model. Features are any information about an object that could be used for prediction. They could be things like their size, color, or shape. There are many ways to find features in data. The simplest way to do this is to calculate the correlation between two items. For example, if you buy ice cream and the weather is sunny, you can determine that ice cream is probably blue. This is an example of feature engineering. How you reduce two variables into one variable that can be used for prediction. Another way of doing feature engineering is calculating a model based on an outcome that causes changes in a variable over time. Once you have your features, they will be used to train your model. Training is a process of using mathematical algorithms to find patterns in the data you observe and building a model that can be used for prediction. The most popular algorithm for machine learning is called Logistic Regression. It works by finding the right combination of weights and biases in your models so that it can predict with accuracy. You can tune these weights so that they fit the data you observed better. This is how it learns. If you have ever used a machine learning algorithm online like Siri or spam filter, you will know that it can't always make accurate predictions. This is because the data it has to work with isn't always relevant and the model will struggle to pick out relevant features from irrelevant features. So why is machine learning is so important? Making predictions with traditional programming can be complicated and time-consuming. Machine learning allows us to skip the first step of finding features in data, making it much faster than traditional programming for common tasks like spam filtering or classifying images. Importantly, machine learning also saves development time and human labor. For example, Google Translate is a powerful machine learning application that can translate text between multiple languages without requiring any human labor. Now, machine learning in healthcare. There are endless applications for machine learning in healthcare. The promise of using machine learning to predict our behavior before it happens, as many people are excited about the potential changes this could bring to our healthcare system. Despite its growing popularity, most healthcare institutions are still using traditional programming methods. Traditional programming allows you to make predictions and tweak them as necessary but doesn't automate anything. To summarize, machine learning is a computer science term meaning the process of making a computer to make decisions that based on data. It saves time by automating the process of finding right actions by given data, eliminating human labor and improving accuracy over time without requiring frequent updates or human intervention. We can see that the future is machine learning. We made this video to help you understand this concept and use it in your future courses. That's all. Hope you learned something new in this video, and if you did, make sure you like, comment and share the video. Hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you.